Question 2d says rearrange this thing to make x the subject. So straight away, this is a log type question. We need to undo the x's, undo the a's, and so on, and reveal the x's for what they are. So the first thing I would do is rewrite this and find a log of both sides. So I would say log of a to the x is equal to log 5 to the x minus 1. And the reason I want to do that is because the moment I've got a logarithm, the index now becomes the coefficient of the logarithm. The index, this thing here, becomes the coefficient of the logarithm. So I could rewrite that now. That implies that x log a, I could put that in brackets, I suppose, is equal to x minus 1 times the log of 5. Now, we want to find x, and I've got an x minus 1 here, so I'm going to expand this out a little bit. So that implies that we've got an x log a, oops, let's put the a in brackets, not the log in brackets. Here we go. X log a, let's see if we can do that. A is an a, is equal to, now I'm going to expand this out, so x times log 5 is x log 5, and negative 1 log 5 is minus log 5, because 1 log 5, negative 1 times log 5 is minus log 5. Now, I notice I've got an x as a coefficient here and an x as a coefficient here, so I got those on the same side. Then I factorized for x, and I divided the rest out. I'd end up with x on its own, which is what I really want. So I'm going to subtract, I'm going to rewrite this, but I'm going to subtract x log 5 minus x log 5 from both sides. So this side here now is x log a minus x log 5 is equal to, and of course this thing here now has disappeared, and I've got negative log 5. There it is. So now I can factorize this bit on this side. So I'm going to take the x outside the brackets, which would leave here log a minus log 5 is equal to negative log 5. I'm going to divide both sides by log of a minus log of 5. There it is. And divide this side by the same thing. Log a minus log 5. There it is. And now I can say x is equal to all of this thing here, which is going to be a negative log 5 over log a minus log 5. Pencil's getting a bit blunt there. That's an a, by the way. That's an a. Doesn't look like an a, but it's an a. And that's how I would write my answer. Hopefully that makes sense.